Hey, my 3D printing family, it's Mark from Upgrades Complete. And yesterday I posted a video about how the loss of my daughter a year ago, almost to the day, got me into 3D printing and became my therapy. Watching videos by Frank and Emily and all you guys that are out there printing inspired me to do this and build what I love. This morning, it took me over 2 hours for my wife and I to go through all your messages, all the comments and videos, and can't even express to you what kind of support that's a lot of heart from strangers on the other side of the screen, on the other side of the world. This is my daughter, and I haven't been able to look at this picture in a year. I haven't been able to watch any videos, and I have thousands of them. After we saw all your responses and all that heart this morning, we went through our videos and pictures. It's the first time so smiling about it. You guys brought our daughter back in a positive way. And I need to thank you. I'm not trying to bring anybody down. Man, there's so much heart in this community. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Content's going to keep coming. But you're family, man. And thank you. And we love you guys. I appreciate it more than you'll ever know.